Okay. So now I'm going to show you a picture and ask a question. Tell me one word that answers my question and goes with the picture. Your answer must be only one word. Let's try it. What is she doing?
Singing.
That's right, singing. The girl is singing. Okay. Let's do another one. What's another word for rock?
Boulder.
That's correct. Boulder, stone, or pebble. Those are all other words for rock. Let's do some more. I will show you a picture and ask you something. Remember, each time you answer, you can only say one thing, so listen carefully. Okay. Now I'm going to go to your age. Okay. Tell me another word for big.
Huge.
What do you call this worker?
Judge.
Tell me a word for scared, as in the boy is scared.
Terrified.
Nice. All of these belong to this food group.
Fruit.
Tell me another word for evening.
Night.
What is this shape?
Square. Rectangle.
Good job. Tell me another word for bug.
Insect.
Good job. What are these?
Binoculars.
Nice. Tell me the word that means two matched socks.
Pear.
What is the baby wearing around his neck?
Apron.
Good job. Tell me a word that means 12 eggs.
A dozen.
Good job. What is this?
Compass.
Good job. What are these?
Pyramids.
What is this animal?
Walrus.
What is the word for three sisters who are the same age?
Triplets.
What do you call a baby sheep?
Kid.
Great job. Tell me the word for the foot of a fox or a dog.
Paw.
Mhm. Great job. Tell me a word that describes something very pretty.
Beautiful.
Nice. Tell me another word for path.
Walkway.
Nice. What is this?
Bow.
Tell me another word for below.
Under.
Tell me a word for talk, as in she will give a talk.
Speech.
Mhm. Tell me a word that means a trip by sea.
Voyage.
What is this bird?
Peacock.
What are the sharp things on a rose stem?
Thorn.
Tell me a word for vanish, as in the bubbles will vanish.
Disappear.
Nice. What do you call the two external openings of the nose?
Nostril.
Tell me a word that describes someone as missing.
Absent.
Tell me a word for this fixture. Fixture. Can you see what I'm pointing to?
Faucet.
Yeah. What is this?
Microscope.
Tell me a word for make, as in they will make a footstool.
Assemble.
Tell me another word for money.
Currency.
What is this musical instrument?
Tambourine.
Tell me another word for chart.
Graph.
Nice. Tell me another word for vision.
Sight.
What is the swinging couch or bed called?
Hammock.
Tell me another word for inexpensive.
Cheap.
Tell me a word for two people singing together.
Duet.
What is another word for the fall season?
Autumn.
Tell me the word for horse's foot.
Hoof.
Nice. What one word describes the relationship of these two straight lines?
Parallel.
Nice. Tell me a word that means a bunch of flowers.
Bouquet.
Tell me another word for soap.
Detergent.
Yeah, good job. What is this?
Funnel.
Mhm. Tell me a word for locate, as in he will locate the keys.
Find.
Mhm. Tell me another word for stop. If you don't know, that's okay.
I don't know.
Okay. Okay. Tell me another word for baby.
Infant.
Good job. What is this?
Pitcher.
Frogs and toads belong to this class of animals.
Amphibian.
Mhm. What is this part of the gate?
Hinge.
What is a word for drinks, as in she will serve drinks to her guests?
Refreshments.
What is this bird?
Pelican.
Tell me another word for directions.
Instructions.
What is another word for teacher?
Professor.
Nice. Tell me another word for fragment. Fragment.
Peace.
Mhm. Tell me another word for ordinary.
Simple.
Tell me a word that describes something as very easy.
Simple.
Nice. What is she wearing around her neck?
Stethoscope.
Nice. Well, cats belong to this family of animals.
Feline.
A good friend will always be there. Tell me another word for always.
Omniscient. Omniscient.
Omniscient?
Yeah.
How do you spell that?
I don't know.
Omniscient. That's okay. Good enough. Okay. Tell me a word for pull, as in she will pull the wagon.
Force.
Tell me a word as in help, or sorry. Tell me a word for help, as in the mother will help her son.
Assist.
Mhm. Tell me a word for disregard, as in he will disregard the noise.
I don't know.
You want to guess?
I don't have a guess.
Okay. Temperature is measured in what unit?
Fahrenheit.
Nice. And Fahrenheit is what?
What do you mean?
Never mind. I don't think I'm allowed to say that actually. Okay.
Oh, degrees.
Yeah, yeah, I agree. Hmm.
What?
I wonder if I was allowed to say that. I'm just gonna mark it right. Okay. Tell me another word for brave.
Fearless.
Nice. Tell me another word for draw.
Sketch.
A drum is this type of musical instrument.
Percussive.
Yeah, it says percussion, but I think that's the same thing, right?
Yeah.
Percussive. I feel like that's what you meant, right? Percussion.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tell me another word for foggy.
Hazy.
Tell me another word for fake.
Phony.
Yeah. Tell me a word for careful, as in be careful with the knife.
Cautious.
Mhm. Tell me another word for toxic.
Harmful.
What does this symbol represent?
Infinity.
Tell me another word for maze.
I don't have one.
Tell me another word for doorway.
Entry.
Mhm. Tell me another word for teenager.
Youth.
Mhm. Tell me another word for go or leave.
I don't know.
Really?
I really don't.
Okay. Tell me another word for join.
Together.
It says combine, connect, couple, link, or unite. I feel like together is in that same.
I was gonna say fuse. I don't know.
Yeah, I feel like fuse. I don't know. I'm just curious, like, does it have to be one of these words? I'm just gonna mark it wrong.
It's okay.
What one word describes the relationship of these two straight lines?
Perpendicular.
Mhm. That was in the other test, huh?
Yeah.
What is the one word for the junction of earth and sky?
Horizon.
Mhm. Dogs belong to this family of animals.
Canine.
Yes. What is this?
Gavel.
Nice. Tell me a word that describes something as authentic or real.
Genuine.
Tell me another word for box.
Container.
Tell me another word for busy.
Occupied.
What is another word for fingers or toes?
I don't know.
Phalanges.
Oh.
Tell me another word for calm or peaceful.
Tranquil.
What is this vegetable called?
Artichoke.
Nice. Kangaroos and opossums belong to this order of mammals.
No idea.
Marsupial. Tell me a word for a copy or model, as in the children will make a model.
Diagram.
Tell me another word for silly or foolish.
Goofy.
Tell me another word for question or ask.
Mm-mm.
Uh, Tell me another word for abundant.
Many.
Tell me another word for glue or paste.
Adhesive.
Tell me another word for railing or handrail.
I don't have one.
Banister.
Oh.
Tell me tell me a word that describes something as possible, as in rain is possible today.
I don't know.
That's okay. Tell me another word for prohibit.
Unallowed.
Tell me another word for skill.
Talent.
Tell me another word for ponder or think.
Wonder.
Tell me another, or what is another word for explode?
Detonate.
Crazy. Let's keep going. Oh, there's only a few left. Oh, there's only like 4 more. Tell me the word for the hollow shaft of a feather.
Spine.
Sorry. Tell me a word for walk, as in the man will walk.
I don't have one.
That's okay. Tell me another word for forgive or excuse.
Accept.
'What is the word for the cross pieces of a ladder?
Rungs.
Yeah. Tell me another word for able or qualified.
Allowed.
2 more. Elephants and hippos belong to this group of mammals.
I don't know.
Pachyderm? Pachyderm? I've never heard of that. What is the leaf on a palm or fern called?
I don't know.
Frond. And that's the end. Great job. Let me stop recording.